Achieving 4,000 watch hours, or 240,000 minutes, on YouTube within a 12-month period is one of the main criteria for joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, and monetizing your channel. The other criterion is reaching 1,000 subscribers. Here are some strategies to help you achieve those 4,000 watch hours. Consistent content creation. Create a content calendar and upload videos consistently, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or another frequency. Consistency helps retain subscribers and attract new ones. Create longer videos. While you shouldn't artificially stretch your content, consider diving deeper into topics which warrant longer videos. If viewers stay engaged, this can rapidly accumulate watch hours. Engaging content. Keep viewers interested by creating high-quality, engaging content. The longer a viewer stays on your video, the more watch hours you accumulate. Leverage playlists. Group related videos into playlists. When one video in a playlist ends, the next one starts automatically, which can help increase cumulative watch time. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, host Q&A sessions, or even go live to engage with your viewers. Engagement can increase the likelihood that viewers will watch your content for longer periods. Promote your videos. Share your content on social media, blogs, and relevant forums or communities. The more visibility your videos get, the more potential watch hours. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborations can introduce your channel to another creator's audience, leading to more views and watch hours. Optimize video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability in YouTube search. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails play a crucial role in getting clicks. Ensure your thumbnails are relevant and visually appealing. Go live. Live streaming can accumulate watch hours quickly, especially if you have a lengthy live session and engage well with your audience. Encourage binge watching. At the end of each video, use annotations or end screens to recommend another of your videos, guiding viewers to watch more of your content. Use YouTube Analytics to see which videos are performing best in terms of retention and watch time. Create more content around popular topics or formats. Share your videos on other platforms like Reddit, Quora, or niche-specific forums. But ensure you're following community guidelines and not spamming.